All right, let's get her done. First, we have to do our histogram of the pips, which I find incredibly valuable. No one else does this, but 3022. 4 blank. 2366. Even New York Times itself scolds me for doing this. 2116. 02. A lot of twos. 01. 35. 64. 52. 44. 3, 4, 6, 5, and 4, 1. Okay, painful. Shouldn't my camera be more over here? Chart. All right, what do we got here? We got a long string of equals for fives. 5. This this is 5. 3. You got a 0 over there. That's interesting. Got another 3 over here. 30. How do you add up to 30 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That might be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 9, 17, 24, 30. Oh, no, it's not. So those are going to be relatively high numbers, but it could be 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, for example. So that doesn't get you much. Painful, painful. 2 zeros in the center. That's always good. Oh, that's your clue. There's a 0 here, 0 here, and 2 zeros here. So that's going to use up all your blanks. So maybe we can, and this has got to go this way. With a 4 through 2 or 1. So that doesn't help here, but this 0 has to hook to something that we have 5 of. And what do we have 5 of? Do we have 5 threes? No. Do we have 5 fours? Yes. Do we have 5 twos? Yes. Oh, great. Do we have 5 ones? No. So it's a 2 or a 4. 2 or 4, 2 or 4, 2 or 4, 2 or 4. There's no double 0, so these have to go across. And another situation here is you can't satisfy this 3 with zeros because you need all of your zeros elsewhere. So this has to be 1, 1, 1. And there's no double 1s. 1, 1, 1, and it has to cross. Well, it could be up and down. I wonder if there's some kind of like parity issue here, that because this has to be kind of even parity like this, so this has to form like a rectangle. I don't know. It's painful as ever. Well, you could argue that the one that goes here has to go like that because it can't go down because you don't have a double down, and it can't go to the right because you have a double right. So it has to go to the left. I mean, that's a powerful clue right there. So if that one has to go to the left, well, that's interesting because if that has to go to the left, then that has to go down because you, well, or to the left. Can't go to the right because you have a parity problem. So it can't go to the right. So, it has to go either down or the left. So that also means, well, it doesn't really mean anything, unfortunately. Just keep that in the back of your head somewhere. Oh, well, 30, if you had, wait, did I just say at the beginning of this thing 98764? God. There's no 9. 6, 11, 15. How do you even add up to 30? You need 5 6s. God. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, God. I'm going to erase this whole video. You need 5 6s. Okay, you need 5 of your 6s have to be. Good times. Good times, good times. All right, so what 6s do you have? What can go here? 6 6, no. 6 1, yes. 6 4, no. 6 5, no. Where's the 6th 6? Oh, 1 2 3. Okay, I have 5 6s and they have to go here. And I'm so sad right now. It's not this one. It's not this one. Oh, greater than 4, greater than 4, greater than 4. So it has to be 6 5. Can't be 6 6. Wow, that took a long time. This is why I should not be doing these puzzles. It hurts. It hurts. And you know that's a 6, and you know that's a 1. What did I decide before? Oh, God, I can't stand this. I mean, the whole point is like, if you did 1 6 there, you'd have to have another 1 6 there, and you don't have another 1 6. So that's not gonna work. So I think this has to be 1 0. Well, okay. Because, right, here's the argument. Like what 1 goes there? You put a 1 6 there, and oh, this could be 6 6, 6 something, 1 something. So that would be okay. Right, and you can't put it up and down because you don't have a 1 1, and you can't put it left right because you don't have enough 1. So that pretty much has to be a 1 6. Oh, going right along here. Now, start thinking about where a lot of places you could put your 6 6, except you can't. So you're going to run out of 6s if you do that. You could think about doing it there, but then you need a 1 6 here, which you don't have. So that's going to have to go there, I think. And then your remaining one has to go here, I think. And then that's going to be a 1 2 because you're out of choices. Um, this is a 0, 0, and there's no double 0, so it has to go... well, you could have 1 something going this way, and then 0 is going off to the right. But you don't have... no, you can't. Because it's not like you can put a 0, 2 here and then like another 0, 2 here, because you don't have another 0, 2. So I think that argues that this either has to be like this if you have a 0, 0, which you don't. So it means it has to be like this. So that has to be a 0, 1. Like that. And that's a 0 anything. We don't know yet, except we do, because that's all that's left. Oh no, we have a 0, 3. Could be 0, 2 or 0, 3. What do we have enough of? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we have enough of to fill this thing? Do we have enough 2s left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Do we have enough 4s left? Yes, barely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we don't know yet which of those 2 are. 2s or 4s still. Do we still have a 0, 2 and a 0, 4 though? Yes, we do. Okay, so that doesn't rule it out yet. Oh, but what goes here? 0, 2 and 0, 4 are our only choices, and if we put a 0, 4 here, this is gonna have to be a 0. We can't spare any more zeros. So I think this has to be 0, 2. This has to be 0, 4 then, going up. Oopsie daisy. The rest of these are 4s. So the only remaining 0 here. Oh, my head hurts. Got a lot of 2s left. This has to go left, right, 2 something that makes 10. It's not 2, 3. Not 2, 2. 32, 5, I guess. Over there. Please be right. Maybe we can look at where this 5 goes. It's your only remaining 5. Can't go left, right, because those need to be 4s. Please let there be a 4, 4, otherwise I'm screwed. Likewise, please let there be a 3, 4. Oh, this is going to work out for once. This is 3, 2. This is 2, 2. This is 4, 1. It hurts.